Wetlands are one of the most highly productive ecosystems on the planet, and they support a host of wildlife.
Ducks Unlimited has been conserving habitat in the state of Ohio since the mid-1980s. Since that time, we've worked with a variety of conservation partners and funders to protect and restore just a little bit over 90,000 acres of habitat in the state.
When Ducks Unlimited and Energy Transfer partnered up on this project, it was personal to me. I am an avid outdoorsman. I love to hunt and I love to fish. And as we endeavored into this area, it became apparent to me that this was something that really meets our objective. And our objective was to give back to the communities, not only where we work and take on projects, big projects like we have in the state of Ohio, but also those places where our employees live.
This is the last year that this farm is going to be in agricultural production. Starting next year, Ducks Unlimited and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and Energy Transfer will be restoring the agricultural portions of this property to wetlands and upland forest.
This is a project that is going to that Ducks Unlimited has taken on, and in some small part, we hope we're doing something to make that better for everyone in the state of Ohio.